Hello students, today in this video we are going to learn about what is a pie chart and writing about pie charts. A pie chart is a circular graph that shows the relative contribution different categories make to an overall total. Each wedge represents a category's contribution. So, the graph looks a pie cut into different sized slices. One thing that we have to remember is that pie charts only show comparison, not change. Pie charts are used to show proportions and how each piece relates to the whole. Here you can see the proportions half and quarter, which is also called as 1/4. Other proportions that we can use to describe pie charts are quarter, less than quarter, more than quarter, minority, and few. When you describe a pie chart, you have to start by saying exactly what the pie chart shows. You have to avoid copying the words in the question, and you can use the words with the same or the similar meanings. Second important thing is that you have to mention the survey question that participants answered. You have to also explain what the different sections of the pie chart refer to and describe the key findings shown in the pie chart. Mind the correct use of tenses when describing a chart. If the chart deals with facts in the present, use the simple present. If the facts are the past, then use the simple past. If there is a connection between the past and the present, use the present perfect. The key language when you write about pie charts is proportions. However, you can also use other words and fractions. Some examples are a large number of people, over a quarter of people, a small minority, some, etc. When we are describing a pie chart, we have to remember that we should make only 2 paragraphs. The first paragraph will summarize the pie chart, and second paragraph we are supposed to give our opinion. Here in this example, the pie chart illustrates how internet users aged 16 plus prefer to access the internet at home and in other places. To describe this pie chart, I have used the proportions majority, minority, less than quarter, and few. Second paragraph talks about my opinion, but this paragraph can vary from person to person. When we learn a pie chart, we have to learn how to interpret the structure of the chart. For that, we have to answer specific questions such as what information is in the pie chart and what do different sizes and color represents. In this pie chart, we are talking about a survey on a group of people, and the question asked was, what did they look for when they chose their career? The different proportions speak about the choices people have spoken about. Some thought it is stability, some thought it is power and position, some thought it is high salary, and others talk about job satisfaction. In this pie chart, red color is a proportion that we can say as half, B is quarter, C is less than quarter, and D is few. The summary will come in the first paragraph, and the second paragraph is going to talk about your opinion,